Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 keyboard doing random things instead of typing. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooter, and after doing this step run the keyboard and close it. If your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your accessibility and scroll down and go to your keyboard. After doing this step, turn off sticky keys, turn off filter keys and toggle keys. So turn off it and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, select a keyboard, right click on update driver, click on search automatic from drivers, click on search for update driver on Windows Update. If any updates available, then download and install in your PC. So in my cases, downloading will be started and it's required of a few minutes to complete this process, and after completing that, download and install in your PCs. After doing this that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, go to your keyboard, select it, right click on update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from list available driver on my computer, select the model, and after that click on next to continue, click on close. And after doing this that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, select a keyboard, right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.